Hello children, today we are going to do a project on matras. So all you will need an A4 size paper, color pencils, or you can use a crayon. And we need, so to start with the project I have already chosen an photo from the Google. So this is the picture. We can write the words A ki matra, I, U, E, I. You can either take the Xerox, you can take the photocopy of this picture, or you can draw this picture over here and then you can write the matras and color it. So let's get started. So we will be writing only the words of matra A, I, U, E, I. So you can choose any of your words. It's not compulsory that the same thing you have to write. You can open your reader and you can write any words. You can write any words from the reader. Okay, so let's start from A. From A you can write any three words, like I am writing cha tha.